Carnival season, we always kind of have this battle between the warm spring-like weather and then the cooler winter weather, and that's kind of the story of our entire winter, isn't it, in South Louisiana? Tonight's parade planner looking on the warmer side, but actually it will get a bit cool, so I would recommend probably a light jacket or sweater if you think you need it, dropping into the 60s with no sunshine, of course, at night, so it could feel a little cooler here and there. Our temperatures tonight bottoming out in the 50s to 60s, and then we're focusing on two kind of things as far as our weather goes, big things this week. Morning fog potential each morning. We had a little this morning, and we could have more the following mornings through Friday, and then storms late Friday to early Saturday, and that's with another cold front that's going to bring that more wintry feel back for the weekend and especially into early next week. We do have clouds in place. We also have blue sky and sun, a kind of pretty interesting sky out there with temperatures in the 60s and those winds breezy from the southwest. Temperatures both north and south of the lake in the 70s, stuck in the 60s though at the foot of Plaquemines Parish, the mouth of the river there. We do have southwest winds again up to about 10 or 12 miles per hour. Our highs today will be mid to upper 70s, so a few more degrees to climb for a really spring-like feel this afternoon. And then tonight our lows in the 50s north and 50s to about 60 south of Lake Pontchartrain, with partly cloudy skies and some fog possible. Our visibility forecast going through 7 and 8 o'clock is indicating some, perhaps especially off to the north and toward Baton Rouge. Could be other places though as well, so just wake up early if you want to tomorrow if you do have a long commute, and you can check out where we're seeing some lower visibilities. We tend to get fog when we have warming weather, but here comes our next cold front. And then it's followed by another hit of some cooler air from the north. So this is going to make it cold. Starting Saturday, we'll start to feel the effects, and then especially Sunday and Monday. As for that late week rain, models have been swinging back and forth. Friday night, Saturday, and this is the latest. This is our European model showing Friday morning we have some clouds. And then as we move through the afternoon, the model wants to place back some showers on Friday. So this is kind of ahead of that big front. So we'll be warm on Friday, breezy, clouds, and then probably at least a chance for some showers across South Louisiana. This is for Saturday morning, and we might see that line of rain with the cold front organizing into a pretty well-defined line. But look what happens as it comes closer to us. It kind of breaks up. So this is Saturday 10 a.m. Don't get too caught up on specific times just yet, as we're still several days out. But this model does eventually have some rain for us now later in the day on Saturday as the front presses southward. So we'll be watching either way. It looks like Sunday will be drier and cooler and breezy as that colder air rushes in and we get that next hit of the cool air, like I was saying. As for the severe threat, this is Friday night to Saturday morning. It looks like, just like that model was showing, when the line is in a bit more of a very defined linear kind of shape, it could have some strong to maybe severe storms, but especially off to the north and northwest of us would likely be where the severe weather is. So we'll watch, of course, as the system takes shape in the next few days to see if we could maybe see a rogue strong to severe storm sometime late Friday or early Saturday. But for now, this is what we have for our forecast, just warming up to about 80 each day. Morning fog through the end of the week. So again, a little extra time probably needed for early commuters. And then we get the rain late Friday, perhaps from afternoon into the overnight, not continuously. And then on Saturday, maybe morning, but you saw that model hinting at maybe later in the day, a few showers still. And then look at the cool down Sunday and Monday, a much chillier feel with highs in the 50s and maybe getting close to freezing by Monday morning on the North Shore.